Finally, you will see the Print Book Approve page. You are given a few options here before you continue. You can choose either a digital proof or to order a physical proof copy of your book. The first option, Digital Proof Approval, says, I have approved my cover and interior files and approved my book for release to print on demand. It says you may not order a physical proof once you mark Proof Approval. So if you select the Digital Proof Approval option, it means you are generally satisfied with how it will look, and you are okay with not receiving a physical copy of your book to proof. Otherwise, you will want to choose the second option that says, I want to order a physical proof copy. It says, for a $30 fee, one proof copy will be printed priority and expedited to you. Selecting this option will add a proof to your cart. If this is your first time working with Draft Digital, you may find it helpful to order a physical copy of your book, but it is up to you what you wish to do. If you have used the various tools, such as downloading the ebook in the various formats, or even just use the presentation that Draft Digital gives you for its previews, and you are satisfied with what the interior of the book will look like, it may be enough to just select Digital Proof Approval. But this is your decision to make for yourself. If you do choose to order a physical proof copy, it may take some time for them to actually send it to you in the mail. However, that is the most certain way to ensure that your print book is in the quality and has the appearance that you are looking for. If you do choose to order the physical proof copy, you will have to come back to this step later and manually select that you have approved the proof. Whereas if you choose Digital Proof Approval, you can approve it right away. In either case, when you are ready to begin distributing your print book, check the box next to where it says Distribution Requires Proof Approval, and then click the Submit button at the bottom. And that is all that you need to publish both an ebook and a print book with Draft Digital. They handle all the printing, the distribution, the various online platforms, and your book is in a print-on-demand status, so you don't have to worry about purchasing multiple copies ahead of time in order to distribute to various storefronts. If you ever need to make changes, or you need to stop in the middle of the process, you can navigate away from the various steps, and when you go back to your View Book page, you will see it says Draft Status, letting you know that it is still a work in progress, but you do not have to complete every single step in one sitting. Congratulate yourself on making it this far. You've officially published a book, and you will see it in various storefronts soon.